I'd stopped taking medicine one morning so that my husband could go to the chemist and maybe get something a bit stronger to make me feel a bit better. And he came back from the chemist and ended up phoning 999 because the flu virus had taken its toll, like, very suddenly, and hit me with all its force. My husband, when I actually did return home, his words were, "I was planning on Christmas without you. I was preparing the children for a future without mum." I would say get your flu vaccine done. Have it. It's better to have some mild symptoms than to have the actual flu.